Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to maintain iPhone battery health according to Apple. All you need to know. First of all, if you are new in my channel, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now let's start. Here is the step-by-step guide to maintain the iPhone's battery health according to Apple. The life of your phone's battery is amount of time your device runs before it needs to be recharged and is known as battery life. Battery life span is the amount of time the battery lasts until it needs to be replaced. The software update on iOS devices often include advanced energy saving technologies. So you should always make sure that your device has the latest version of iOS, macOS, or watchOS. Some of the tips Apple suggests for the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch are to update to the latest software. Optimize your setting, enable low power mode, view battery usage information, and plug in and power on your computer to recharge your device. Here are the steps to be followed to have a healthy iPhone battery. Update your phone. Go to your iPhone setting on your iOS device. Second, tap on the general option. Third, next click on the software update. 4. Check out the available update here. Recharge your battery and update your iPhone. 5. You can also plug your iPhone into your computer and update it with the latest version of iTunes. 6. You can save your battery life by reducing the brightness of your screen using Wi-Fi or by dimming your iPhone's screen brightness. Dim the display brightness or turn on auto brightness. 1. Open the control center on your Apple device. 2. Drag the brightness slide to the bottom of the screen. Now you use the auto brightness option. Click on setting. Click general and then tap on accessibility. Next tap on display accommodation. Now set auto brightness to on. Enable low power mode. 1. Switch to low power mode. The amount your iPhone battery drops by 20%. Second, you will receive a notification to enable the low power mode and you can turn it on with one tap. Third, you can also turn the setting manually by clicking on setting. 4. Scroll down the screen and tap on the battery. 5. Next toggle the low power mode to on. Prevent apps from refreshing in the background. 1. You can go to setting, click on general. 2. Tap on the background app refresh and select the off option to turn it off in the background entirely. Turn off location service for apps. 1. Follow similar steps by clicking on setting. Tap on the privacy button and tap on location services and check the list of apps using location service.